Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to discuss 10 questions from number system. So before we discussing this, I want to tell something, because in this 10 question we're going to deal some extraordinary concepts, that is mainly quadratic equation. Okay, so நிறைய பேர் quadratic equation எப்படி solve பண்றதுன்னு கேட்டிருந்தீங்க. So we're going to discuss the concept of quadratic equation and also reciprocals. Question வந்து reciprocal பண்ணுங்க அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி கொடுப்பாங்க. So we need to know how to write the equation for the reciprocals. So இந்த ரெண்டுமே பார்க்க போறோம். So each and every question I will explain in both Tamil as well as in English. Tamil and English நான் சொல்றேன். So நல்லா கவனிங்க. Try to write all the answers before this video itself. So previous one day I had given all the question. So நீங்கள் தான் வந்து என்ன பண்ணணும்னா எல்லாமே சால்வ் பண்ணி வைங்க. So take that note and your solutions. Just check out your answer. If you had any doubt, so you can use this video for the solution concept. Okay. Right, let's start from this question. If 50 is subtracted from 2/3 of a number, the result is equal to sum of. So equal to, before equal to, after equal to பிரிச்சுக்கோங்க. So first அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்களோ அதை அப்படியே ஈக்குவேஷனை எழுதுங்க. I'm going to write this in an equation. There is a number, okay, 2/3 of a number அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. So I can write 2/3 of a number. Okay, இதில் இருந்து என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? I'm going to subtract 50. So just write minus 50. Okay, I'm going to subtract 50. The result is equal to. So அது உங்களுக்கு என்ன கொடுக்கும் அப்படின்னா, it will be sum of 40 and 1/4 of that number. So 1/4 னா 1/4 1/4 of that number, அதே number. So I'm going to write same x, okay, plus 40, because they says that it was sum. Here it was subtraction, so I put minus. Here it was sum. Okay, so solve this, you will get the answer. So the whole concept, the whole question is nothing but this single equation. நமக்கு தெரியணும் இந்த क्वेश्चனை எப்படி ஈக்குவேஷனை எழுதுறது. Okay, so let solve this equation. Right, so 2/3x minus 1/4x. Take x one side, x எல்லாம் ஒரு பக்கம் கொண்டு வாங்க, and already plus 40 minus 50, it comes to the right hand side, it will be plus 50, correct? So 40 plus 15 ஆயிரும், that is nothing but 90. Right, now 5x by 12 is equal to 90 வருமா? Right, then 12 இந்த பக்கம் வந்துச்சுனா என்ன ஆகும்? It will be x is equal to 90 into 12 over 5. So x value என்னங்க? Just find out 216. That is the right answer. So I hope you guys understand this. Let's move to the next question. A student was asked to divide the half of a certain number by 6 and the other half by 4, and then to add the two quantities so obtained. Instead of doing so, the student divided the number by 5 and the result fell short by 4. Fell short means subtraction. Okay, so now I'm going to write this in an equation. பொறுமையா படிங்க. So once you read this question slowly and write it in an equation. Okay, let's take half of a certain number. Half of a number means 1/2 of x. That is x by 2 எழுதலாமா? அந்த நம்பர்ல பாதி. Half of a number is divided by 6. So we can write like this: half x by 2 divided by 6. Okay, and another number half by 4. So x by 2 by 4. இந்த ரெண்டை என்ன பண்ணுமா? We going to add the number. Okay, then to add the two quantities, so I'm going to add this number. So instead of doing so, the student divide the number by 5. So அதே நம்பரை அவர் 5 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டாரு. So the result fell short அப்படின்னா it was subtraction. So subtract பண்ணனால it will become 4. This is what the equation. So the equation பாருங்க, மறுபடியும் question படிங்க. Okay, read this equation and look at the question once again. You can come to know what is the exact equation was. Okay, right, next let's solve this. Look at this. So first x by 12, right, plus x by 8. So this came here and this came here. So x by 8 that is minus x by 5, that is equal to 4. So now we know that how to solve this. So just take LCM and solve this, you will get the right answer. Correct? So 10x plus 15x plus 15x minus 24, right? Minus 24. See, look at this, 12, 8 and 5. These three numbers, what is the LCM? 12 into 5 is 60. 8 table we can't get 60. So 12 into 10 is 120. I think we got 120, right? So that's what the LCM. So 120 is the LCM. So 12 into 10, so 10x. Okay, 12 into 10, so 10x. And 8 into 15, 15x. Okay, and 5 into 24, so it was 24x. Okay, that is equal to 4. Now let's write the answer. That's equal to x is equal to, just add these x values. Here also I need to write x. Add the x values, 4 into 120. 4 into 120 is what? 480. So x is equal to 480. That's what the right answer. Clear? Right, let's move to the next question. 1/3 of a 2-digit number is exceeds 1/4 of its successive number. Look at this, 1/3 of 2-digit number and 1/4 of its successive number. Okay, so 23rd question, x divided by 3. This is 1/3 of a 2-digit number. I don't know the 2-digit number. Okay, and next one is successive number. Successive number means x plus 1, next number. Okay, that is 1/4. Okay, exceeds means subtraction, minus பண்ணணும். exceed ஆகுது, உங்களை விட நான் அதிகமாக இருந்தாலும் என்னை விட நீங்கள் கம்மியாக இருந்தாலும் it says about the difference. உங்களுக்கும் எனக்கும் இருக்கிற difference தான் அது காட்டும். So difference, that is numbered by, that is equal to 1. So இதை solve பண்ணிங்கன்னா you will get the answer. Okay, இதை நீங்கள் தான் solve பண்ணணும். If anybody not solving this means, please pause the video and solve it, then check the remaining answer, remaining step. அதுக்கப்புறம் பாருங்கள், ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்ணி தப்பாவது போடுங்க. Okay, so here 4x minus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 12 வருமா? Right, so x is equal to 15. Correct? So just cross multiply, that's it. Okay, for subtraction, or else you can take the LCM and subtract it, you will get the answer. Okay, so 3 into 4 is 12, that's நான் இங்கே எழுதியிருக்கேன். And 4 into x, 4x, 3 into x plus 1 இங்கே எழுதியிருக்கேன். Okay, that's it. So answer is 15. Next question. If the sum of number and its square is 182, what is the number? So 24th question, x plus and its square, the sum of a number is x and square என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, x square is equal to 182 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. What is the number அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. Okay, so the answer is x square plus x, right, that is equal to 182 ன்னு சொல்லலாமா? Next, x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0 ன்னு சொல்லலாங்களா? Simple பாருங்க, this is what quadratic equation. Okay, so quadratic equation வந்துட்டா next step என்னது? So look at this, I want to multiply this coefficients of the number. So here it was 1 and here 182. 182 into 1 is minus 182. Multiply பண்ணா 182 வரணும் and add பண்ணா 1 வரணும். So I want to take two numbers. Correct? So how can I solve this? X square plus 1 is minus 182. Okay, so here 14, நீங்கள் இதோட ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் எழுதுங்க ஃபஸ்ட்டு. ஓகே, 14 times 13 வருமா? 14 times 13 is 182, கரெக்ட் தானே? 14 into 13. ஸோ பட் இது minus 182 plus 1, ஸோ அதனால் எனக்கு மைனஸில் வரணும், 1 வரணும். அப்படின்னா மைனஸ் எங்கே போடணும்? I want to put minus here. Okay, that's it. So minus 13. So x is equal to minus 14. Here x value வேணாம், I want only factors, அதனால் அப்படியே எழுதுங்க. ஃபேக்டர் என்னென்னா x plus 14 இது ஒன்று and x minus 13 இது ஒன்று. Okay, always we going to take the positive value, right? So இங்கே என்ன கேட்குறாங்க, what is the number அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. So x plus 14 is equal to 0, x minus 13 is equal to 0. பாசிட்டிவ் நம்பர் தான் நம்ம எடுக்கணும். So x is equal to minus 14 and x is equal to plus 13. Correct? 0 in the pakka vandichna. So my positive value is plus 13. So here most of the students did a mistake, that is minus and plus. Illa pathina x plus 14 x minus 13 da namakku vandirukku, that is equal to 0. Here if you want x is equal to means you need to take this 14 other side, so the symbol also getting changed. So the positive value is 13. That is not given here. So the answer is none of this. 13 the correct answer. Okay, right. Next question. If 73 square is subtracted from the square of a number, the answer so obtained is 5075. What is the number? So write this as an equation. So I will write x square value la irundhu edha minus pandringa 73 square. If I subtracted this, I will get 5075. So now we are going to solve this. Just write x square, right, minus 507 the minus பண்றதுக்கு பதிலா let take 73 square. What is 73 square? 73 square is 5329. Take this value. 5329 is equal to 5075. So x square is equal to 5075 minus 5329. Sorry, plus minus in the back vanda plus. So x square is equal to 10404. Right? So x is equal to root of 10404. So x is equal to 102. So is the value. 102 is the right answer. Simple. I hope எல்லாத்துக்கும் இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் கிடைச்சிருக்கும் already. So let's move to the 26th problem. 20 times a positive integer is less than its square by 96. What is the integer? So write this as an equation. So x square minus 20x is equal to 96. Can I write like this? இப்போ பாருங்க ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் வேல்யூ இருக்குது, அதிலிருந்து 20 times a positive integer எடுத்தீங்கன்னா you will get 96. So directly they gave a quadratic equation. So இதை நீங்கள் quadratic equation மாற்றணும். How can I write this into quadratic equation? X square minus 20x minus 96 is equal to 0 சொல்லலாமா? Yes, right. So next I need to take the factors for this. Okay, so x plus 4 into x minus 24, that is equal to 0. These are factors. So x plus 4, x minus 4. So multiply panni paru, x into x is x square, right? Then 4 into x, right? Then x in 4 into 24, okay, is 96. So 20x easy vandrum. So this is what the value. Then the x value is equal to x is equal to, here it was minus 4, and another x value is equal to plus 24. Which one is right answer? Plus 24 is the right answer. Correct? Right. Next question, 27th question. Thrice the square of a natural number decreased by 4 times the number is equal to 50 more than the number. So write whatever they said as an equation. Okay, look at this. Thrice the number, thrice the square, ஒரு நம்பரை 3 times எடுக்கிறேன், minus decreased by 4 times the number, அப்படின்னா 4x, right, is equal to 50 more than the number. So x plus 15 எழுதலாமா? That number is x. X is the number, so அதில் இருந்து 50. So first convert this into a quadratic equation. மாற்றி எழுதலாமா? 3x square, okay, then minus in the x in the பக்கம் வந்தா என்ன ஆகும்? It will be minus 5x ஆயிருமா? Right? Then minus 50 is equal to 0. So here I think most of you guys are suffering for getting answer factors, how to factorize this. So அதை நான் explain பண்ணிடுறேன், how to take factorize for this question. Okay, right, look at this. First of all we need to check when I got, see, take 3 into 50. 3 into 50 is what? 3 into minus 50, that is minus 150. Okay, and here it was minus 5. So multiply pannana, if you multiply two numbers you need to get minus 50. If you add two numbers you need to get minus 5. So ஸோ எந்த நம்பர் எடுக்கலாம். ஸோ இப்போ உங்களுக்கு இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் வேணும்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் we need to check the factors of this number. 150 எப்பெல்லாம் வரும், எந்த ரெண்டு நம்பர் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 150 வரும். Which two digits if you multiply you can get 150. I want to check that. Okay, so 5 into 30 150 வரும். 25 into 30 வேற என்ன வரும், 50 into 3, yes 50 into 3 வரும். Then 5 into 30, 50 into 3, 75 into 2, 75 into 2 வரும். Then 25 into 6 we can get it. Then 15 into 10 I will get. Then 150 into 1. So all these are factors. இது எல்லாமே நம்ம வரும். இப்போ these are all I get 150, கரெக்டா? So sorry, not 50, it was 150. 150 க்கு எனக்கு கிடைச்சிருச்சு. Now I am going to check if I add two numbers I need to get -5. So எந்த ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு இது பண்ணால் எனக்கு -5 வரும் அப்படின்னா I will take this number. Okay, 15 and 10. 15 minus 10 is what? So 15 10 எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, so 15 லிருந்து 10 minus பண்ணா I will get 10, but I want -5, so இங்க minus போடும். Okay, -15 plus 10. Okay, and 15 into 10 is 150 minus 150. So everything is clear. So write like this. See, look at this, how to write the equation. So first I am going to write 3x square அப்படி எழுதிக்கோ. 3x square இதுக்கு பதிலா, okay, I am going to write these two numbers. Okay, so first write the positive number. So plus biggest number first எழுதுறோம். Okay, not positive number, higher number. So minus 15, okay, x plus 10x, okay, minus 50. So இதை கொஞ்சம் கலர் மாற்றி எழுதுனா you can understand this easily. Wait a minute. 3x square, okay, and here it was minus 50. Okay, in between that I am going to write this equation minus 15x, okay, then plus 10x minus 50 is equal to 0. Okay, next step I am going to take these two and these two. இந்த ரெண்டு தனியா பிரிச்சுக்கோ. Okay, so if I write this, how can I write this equation? 3 into x minus 5 எழுதலாமா? 3x எடுத்துடலாம் வெளியே. 3x minus x minus 5. I can write like this. See, 3x வெளியே எடுத்துறேன். Okay, then x minus 5. So if I multiply this I will get this. So 3x மட்டும் வெளியே எடுத்து எழுதுறேன். Okay, right. Here 10 into, okay, x minus 5 எழுதலாமா? Look at this, 10 into x, 10x. 10 into minus 5, minus 50. So இப்படி தான் நம்ம factors பிரிச்சு எழுதணும். We need to write like this. Okay, so our answer will be, look at this. See, I need to explain this very slowly. 3x plus 10 தனியாக எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Okay, 3x plus 10 and x minus 5 தனியாக எடுத்துக்கோங்க. x minus 5. So this is one factor, this is one factor. இதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணினா உங்களுக்கு இது கிடைக்கும். அதை தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு வரோம். Okay, so இதில் எதுங்க பாசிட்டிவ் வேல்யூ? x is equal to 5. So this is what I got at last. X is equal to 5. That is the right answer. So from this I slowly explained everything. You guys understand, I think so. So உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸ்லோவாக சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஃபேக்டர் கண்டுபிடிச்சி அதிலிருந்து நீங்கள் சென்டர் பார்ட் மட்டும் மாற்றி எழுதி ரெண்டாக ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி you need to write the factors. Okay, right. 28th question. I am going to explain this also in the same manner. Okay. So the sum of a number and its reciprocal. This is reciprocal question. The sum of a number and its reciprocal is 1/8 of 34. So write this as an equation first. Okay. X ஒரு நம்பர் இருக்கு, x plus reciprocal of that number அப்படின்னா 1/x. So இதோட sum of the number. Okay, sum எடுத்தா it will be 34. 1/8 of 34 அப்படின்னா 34. அதாவது இப்படி எழுதணும் 1/8 into 34. That is nothing but 34/8. Okay, just solve this, you will get the right answer. So So if I solve பண்ணேன்னா x square plus 1 over x is equal to 34 over 8. கரெக்டா? next step என்ன வரும்? இப்போ இதை இங்கே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க, இதை இங்கே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ 8 into x square plus 1 is equal to 34x வருமா? ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்பு 8x square plus 8 okay minus 34x is equal to 0 எழுதலாமா? இப்போ இது அப்படியே write it in the quadratic form. Just write down this in a quadratic form. 8x square minus 34x plus 8 is equal to 0 ன்னு சொல்லலாமா? Is it right? Now simplify this. 8 34 8 எல்லாமே cancel பண்ணீங்கன்னா I can write this as x square okay minus 34 how many times? 4 times. 8 into 4 x plus 1 is equal to 0. correcta? No இங்கே தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேன். wait for this நம்ம எதை வெளியெடுக்கலாம்? 8 அப்போது 8ல் பாதி 4x square 8 டேபிள் 34 வராதில்லை. will not get 34 correct. So 4 half of 8 is 4, half of 34 is 17x and half of 8 is 4, that is equal to 0. So I just minimize the values, that's it. Okay, now this is the quadratic equation. We need to find, look at this, how to find the factors for this. அதான் கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். So 4 into 4 is 16, correct? So if I multiply two numbers I need to get positive value 16. If I add the numbers I need to get minus 17. Okay, what is the two numbers? Okay, 17 16 வரணும். 16 எப்பெல்லாம் வரும்? Just write down the factors for 16. I will get 1 into 16 is 16, 2 into 8 is 16, 4 into 4 is 16. correct? Right. So இங்கே எனக்கு 16 வரதுக்கு இத்தனை ஃபார்மேட்ஸ் இருக்குது. மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 16 வரணும். பட் இஃப் ஐ ஆட் த நம்பர்ஸ் ஐ நீட் டு கெட் minus 17. அது எப்போ வரும்? இது மட்டும்தான் வரும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஐ வில் ரைட் 16 one place and 1 in other place. So minus 17 means put both the sides minus symbol. So if you add these two numbers I will get minus 17. If I multiply this, minus into minus, it will become plus. Okay, so now we are going to write this equation in the previous form. Okay, look at this. 4x square எழுதிக்கோங்க, இங்கே plus 4 எழுதிக்கோங்க, that is equal to 0. In center part I am going to write this in two factors. Okay, so first 16 minus 16x minus 1x plus 4. Okay, take these two part one side and these two in other side. அவ்வளோதான் வேலை. ஓகே, ஸோ இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 4x square then 4x தனியாக எடுத்துக்கலாமா? ஃபஸ்ட்டு இது எப்படி எழுதிடுவோம்? 4x square minus 16x இது ஒரு பார்ட் and minus 1x plus 4 is another part. Okay, I can write this as 4x into 4 minus x. எழுதலாமா? 4 into 4 is 16, correct? X minus 4 can be x minus 4 and other one is 1 into, I can write x minus 4. இப்போ பாருங்க, look at this, x minus 4, 4x into 1. So I can write this as 4x, right? 4x minus 1. Wait. புரியுற மாதிரி எழுதணும்னா wait, I will write this in other side. We'll complete this in top. Okay, see, 4x into x minus 4 இது ஒன்றா factor and another factor is 1 into x minus 4. If you add this you will get x minus 4 is one factor and 4x. So 4x இப்படி எழுதலாமா? 4x okay minus 1, 4x into, so 4x minus 1, correct தானே? 4x minus 1 இது ஒன்று, then x minus 4 இது ஒன்று. So this is one factor, 4x minus 1 is one factor. So this is what the concept. So idhula x is equal to 4 1 correct. What is the question? What is the product of the number and its square root? So product of number its square root, number vandu 4 and square root is root 4. So 4 into root 4, that is nothing but 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. 8 is the right answer. Clear? So please look at this once, how I factorize the numbers and write the answer. Okay. Right. Next question, 29. 2/3 of a positive number and 25 by 2 1/6 of its reciprocal or equal. So I am going to write this as an equation, 2/3 of a positive number. So 2 by 3 of a positive number, that is equal to 25 by 2 1/6 of its reciprocal, that means 1 by x. Right? So we need to solve this. So let's write x square is equal to 25 by 2 1/6 into 3 by 2. Reciprocal, correct? So 25 by 144 is equals x is equal to root of 25 by 144, that is equal to 5 by 12. 25 is 5, 144 is 12. So this is what the right answer. Simple. Right, the last question. Find the whole number which when increased by 20 is equal to 69 times the reciprocal of the number. This is a quadratic equation we need to write. Okay, look at this, x plus 20 is increased. So 20 is equal to 69 times the reciprocal of the number. Okay, so I can write this x square plus 20x, I multiply this side x, okay, 20x minus 69 is equal to 0. We got the quadratic equation. Now look at this, if I multiply I need to get minus 69, if I add I need to get 20, correct? So take the factors, 1 into 69 is one factor and 3 times 23 is other factor. So 23 minus 3 I will get 20, right? So I need to pick this factor. In this I will never get 20 if I add or subtract 69 and 1. So I am going to take this and minus 3 and positive 23. 23 3 minus 29 I will get 20 and minus 69. So write this in a quadratic format. Okay, so x square eludhikonga, minus 69 is equal to 0. Now write down these two numbers. Okay, so plus 23x minus 3x minus 69. Okay, so x into இது எப்படி பிரிச்சு எழுதலாம், இந்த ரெண்டையும் தனியாக எழுதுங்க. ஸோ டேக் தீஸ் டூ ஒன் சைட். ஓகே, எக்ஸ் இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் 23. ஓகே, and other one is minus negative 3x plus 23, that is equal to 0. So இது ரெண்டு எடுத்துக்கலாமா, x minus 3, this is one factor, and x plus 23 is another factor. So x is equal to 3, that's what the answer. Simple. So I hope you guys understand and now practice the factors, how to factorize the quadratic equation. So I come up with the new questions in the next video. So daily 10 questions na vandu group la poturuven. So just solve those questions. In next day I will explain those 10 questions with the clear explanations. Okay, so if you have doubts in that, you can put it in the WhatsApp group. So if any new students are here, just check out the description link. There is a group link is there, so just click and join the group. Okay, புதுசா யாராவது வந்திருந்தீங்கன்னா ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் லிங்க் வந்து டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஸோ யூ கேன் கெட் த questions, daily 10 questions அதில் போடுவேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் டே we can look up the explanation. So all the very best guys, thank you, take care and bye.